In the mystical land of Tepantorer, also known as Field of Three Horizon, where the sky touched the earth in hues of azure and crimson, there existed a pair of extraordinary creatures known as Byangoma and his wife, Byangomi. These majestic beings, with the faces of wise sages and bodies of colossal birds, were revered throughout the land for their unparalleled wisdom and compassionate hearts. They first appeared in Dakshinaranjan Mitra Majumdar's Neelkomol and Lalkomol story from his famous collection of folklores, Thakhurmar jhuli. Legend spoke of a time when the offsprings of Byangoma and Byangomi faced a grave affliction. They were born blind. Desperate to restore their children's sight, the mythical creatures turned to the prince brothers, Lalkomol and Neelkomol, for aid. Moved by their plight, the brothers willingly offered a drop of their blood, a gesture of kindness that brought light back to the chicks' eyes. In gratitude for the prince brothers' benevolence, the chicks vowed to repay their debt. With wings outstretched, they carried the princess across the vast expanse of the Field of Three Horizons, also known as Tepantorer, a journey of unparalleled wonder. From that day forth, Byangoma and Byangomi became known as steadfast allies of the righteous, always ready to lend their aid to those in need. Byangoma and Byangomi possessed wings that spanned over 8 feet, allowing them to soar through the sky for hours on end without fatigue. Their diet consisted of grains, nectar, insects, and fruits, sustaining their immense bodies and granting them boundless energy. Their faces bore human-like features, but below the neck deemed the form of a bird with colorful feathers that only drew aspirations and awe. Despite their formidable size, they were gentle beings, harboring a deep empathy for all creatures that roamed the earth. Amidst the tranquility of Tepantorer, however, darkness lurked in the form of Rakhos and Kokos, demons and ogres who sought to sow chaos and despair. Aware of their common enemy, Byangoma and Byangomi stood as guardians against the forces of malevolence, their immense size making them visible targets. To evade detection, they sought refuge atop towering mountains and within the dense embrace of ancient forests, where they remained hidden from prying eyes. Byangoma and Byangomi thus continued to inspire awe and reverence in the eyes of mankind who believed in inspiring stories of mythical figures of Bengal.